जी सीटी। थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी। पांडे जी सीटी बजावे जी सीटी। पांडे जी सीटी बजावे ऑन ड्यूटी। आदत बड़ी नस पीटी बजावे हाय बजावे हाय ओ शराब बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी है।
ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए ए ए।
12 महीने में 12 तरीके से तुझको प्यार जताऊंगा रे।
ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए ए ए ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए
12 मिनट भी लगता है अब ना तेरे बिन रह पाऊंगा रे।
ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका रे ए ए ए ए।
दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी। सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी। ओहो दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी। सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी। सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या।
चिंता ता चिता चिता चिंता ता चिंता ता चिता चिता चिंता ता चिंता ता चिता चिता चिंता ता चिंता ता चिता चिता चिंता ता।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ। इन बाहों को इन राहों को छोड़ ये छलिया जाए कहाँ। माना दिल तो है अनाड़ी ये आवारा ही सही। अरे बोल राधा बोल संगम होगा के नहीं। हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते। हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते।
Brilliant! Brilliant expression and movement. That was superb. Over to Sharanya.
Guess what? It's the moment of rock and roll. Watch our young dancers move back and forth to the rhythm of the song. It's hats on and hats off. It's a kick and a jump. It's tap and rap. It's time for the thrill. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
नहीं आसान इसे है समझाना। बेईमान दिल बड़ा बेईमान, तेरे लिए शैतान मेरी ना एक माना। लगा दिल जला, दिल लगा दिल जला, दिल लगा न दिल जले से दिल जल जाएगा। इश्क करना इश्क ही तुझे तड़पाएगा। दिल लगा न दिल जले से दिल जल जाएगा। इश्क करना इश्क ही तुझे तड़पाएगा। मैंने तो जाना है इश्क लेता है जान। धूम धूम just take my life, धूम धूम just break my heart, धूम धूम just tear apart। धूम धूम just take my life, धूम धूम just break my heart, धूम धूम just tear apart। आ ले तू मेरी जान।
Girl, you're my chamakachalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my chamakachalo. Shorty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamakachalo. Yes, I sharmana, aja nachi pe dikhane. Ameri hone, aja pari da jirane. Ameri
Distinguished Chief Guest Padma Shri Harbhajan Singh Ji, President and Managing Trustee Said Abdul Khader, Senior Vice President Said, esteemed trustees, parents, staff and my dear students. Good evening, and let me on behalf of GVNS welcome you all to our annual day and unfold the commendable performance of GVNS during this academic year. First of all, our heartfelt gratitude and warm welcome to our Chief Guest, Honorable Padma Shri Harbhajan Singh Ji. We are indeed privileged to have you, sir, as our Chief Guest. It is more or less a dream come true. It's a heartthrob for our children and an inspiration for Green Valley and scheduled community at large. We are privileged to have you, sir, and thus we welcome you for being with us today to celebrate the achievements of our students. We are also indeed privileged to have our President and Managing Trustee, Said Abdul Khader, popularly known as Bashu. It is his vision and mettle that has transformed the GVNS campus into a top-class education facility for our students. The honor of his presence reconfirms his passion for educational initiatives and excellence. On behalf of our staff and parents, we welcome you, sir. Today, in this brief report, let me take you through some of the major achievements, programs, and initiatives in the school during the year. It gives us tremendous pleasure to give away the prizes to all successful students who, with their diligence and hard work, have come out in flying colors. Congratulations on your success and for upholding our school motto, virtue alone ennobles. All through the past year, our mission has been to provide quality education, and our greatest strength behind the success of this mission was the educational vision, excellent infrastructure provided by the management, and this has been further enhanced by the support and cooperation of you, dear parents, and the commitment of our teachers and students. Presently, we have 692 students in our roles, and the school has continued to procure 100% results with record and even national toppers. Prefects, they were selected and activities were conducted to ensure proper leadership training for students. We appreciate the entire prefects and the student leaders for their commitment and dedication in smooth running of the school and for actively leading from the front on all school programs. The clubs and associations actively involved in various activities, especially the CCA, which conducted and marked special days like Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Prize Day, etc. And these activities were marked with so much of energy level, which included special meetings, seminars, competitions, and pageants, giving every child an opportunity to excel and shine. Also, one of the most interesting and remarkable events for the year was also an educational trip to Hyderabad. The purpose of this trip was also to enrich students' understanding about our country. In the field of sports, GBN has continued to encourage sports activities throughout the school year, and various activities like football, cricket, basketball tournaments, etc. were conducted in the school at inter-house level and inter-house levels, and it added to the friendly school fraternity's excellent performance. And GBNS is ever grateful to our trustees and their sincere measure in providing best assistance in the education sector. Our President and Managing Trustee is always remembered for his contribution in making Green Valley a reality and providing better school for quality education. He deserves our respect and sincere thanks for his commitment. Our thanks are also due to all my colleagues for their valuable contributions in guiding and spearheading the growth of the school. Dear parents, we are indebted to you for the interest you have shown through active participation in the school. We also thank you for the assistance given to your children and improving the performance of the school. My heartfelt gratitude and sincere thanks to our teachers for working sincerely in fulfilling your duties, which would undoubtedly steer the school still higher. Once again, our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest for being with us to witness these precious moments. Honorable Chief Guest, Padma Shri Harbhajan Singh Ji, Managing Trustee, special invitees, colleagues, parents, and my dear students. As we go ahead with the celebration of our achievements of our students, it is also an ideal time for us to ponder over our future course of action. Dear students, this is the time for you to think about what you will do next. Many people are enamored by the legacy of success in their current roles that they are afraid to look further. If you linger too long in your success, you will miss out the opportunities that lie ahead for you to do better. And the avenues of learning always is just beyond the shade of your comfort zone. So always try to win, stretching yourself to your own limits or even exceeding your limits. Once so stretched, you will realize the true extent of your potential. And the best example is our chief guest today sitting over here, who at a relatively younger age could get national and international attention. So nothing is impossible with hard work. Nihil labore difficile, that is, everything is possible with hard work. I would urge all my students not to give way to negativity or cynicism, but work hard to realize the dreams and serve your community in a better way in the days to come as good citizens of future tomorrow. Ultimately, the final batches of grade 10 and 2nd PU who would be flying out of GVNS shortly, we wish you all the best of success in your future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish Green Valley National School all the best for an enduring future of success and achievements. May Almighty shower His choicest blessing on Green Valley National School and our students and the faculty. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The much-awaited time has arrived for our students who will be receiving their prizes. I kindly request our chief guest to give away the prizes. The best in academics for the year 2012 and 13 from class 10 goes to Suha. Class 10B, Mohammad Salman Jubapu. From 2nd PU Science, Sri Lakshmi Prabhu. From 2nd PU Science, Sri Lakshmi Prabhu. From 2nd PU Commerce, Akif Maulana. All-rounder students for the year 2012 and 13. Class 10A, Jasmine Momin. Class 10B, S. Adarsh. Best Discipline Students of the year 2012-13 from Class 10A, Syed Muhammad Ashad. Class 10B, Sunny C. Naik. Second PU Science, Mahalakshmi V. Badal. From 2nd PU Commerce, Akif Maulana. Best students in co-curricular activities for the year 2012-13. From class 10B, Mohammad Sahil. Second PU Science, Sharif Ahmed. Second PU Commerce, Mohammad Sameer.